The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, officially teased by DJI as the Pocket 4P, is officially scheduled to be unveiled on May 14, 2026. The primary upgrade is a dual-camera system featuring a dedicated 3x optical telephoto lens, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 12x digital zoom, alongside the standard 1-inch main sensor. This hardware inclusion introduces true optical zoom to DJI's Pocket gimbal lineup for the first, rumored to support up to 6K resolution alongside 4K slow motion at 240 frames per second. Features 14 stops of dynamic range with 10-bit D-Log color processing for precise grading. Equipped with 107GB to 128GB of internal storage and ultra-fast 800MB per second transfer speeds over Wi-Fi 6. Expected to retail around $733 to $800 based on initial international retail estimates. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.